How to accelerate business productivity with modern IT infrastructure. As technology integrates itself into the fabric of society and our daily lives, businesses are in a unique position to take advantage of its importance. The future of many businesses now relies on how effectively an enterprise uses emerging technologies. The IT infrastructure of a company is the biggest indicator when it comes to gauging its technological effectiveness. IT infrastructure in a large enterprise includes all the software, hardware, and network resources that your business needs for regular operations, management, and more. All top enterprises are looking for a stable technological base, and your IT infrastructure is what determines the success and failure of your endeavors. Today, the question is not whether businesses should have a good IT infrastructure, but the real question revolves around why and how businesses should modernize their existing IT infrastructures for maximum gains. In a world that relies on lightning-fast response times and round-the-clock business continuity, modernizing the IT infrastructure can have a host of benefits for your organization. Why is modern IT infrastructure important for business? As the layman becomes aware of the advantages of technology, businesses are pressured into delivering optimized experiences without any compromises in agility and quality. Just like rapidly changing technological trends, the modern IT infrastructure is more hybrid, adaptable, and scalable than ever before. Businesses who are not aspiring to meet these changing demands with technology are risking being left behind. Here are just a few reasons for businesses to consider a modern IT infrastructure. It will help businesses stay ahead of the game and battle their competition with the best resources. Businesses will be able to meet the changing needs of the time and cater to a diverse customer base. It will help businesses attain a limitless potential through scalability that never stops. Modern IT infrastructures are optimized for the future and help businesses stay on the latest trends, always. Helps businesses have the most cutting-edge technology and tools to boost productivity and overall business performance. Allows businesses to provide an unmatched customer experience through shorter response times and business continuity in unforeseen circumstances. Allows businesses to equip their employees with the best services to perform their work better. How does IT infrastructure affect business? IT infrastructure is the technological backbone that businesses can stand tall on. It includes the complete suite of hardware, software, and network resources that a business needs to operate on a day-to-day basis. From the top management and employees to the customers and stakeholders, the IT infrastructure has a far-reaching impact on all parties involved in an enterprise. Here are just a few areas that IT infrastructure can have an impact on. Business operations, documentation, storage management, network and server performance, backup and disaster recovery, business decisions. A sound IT infrastructure in today's world is a prerequisite for all businesses who wish to survive in the current disruptive climate. How does modern IT infrastructure increase productivity? As the world becomes more demanding, businesses have to rise up to meet these demands with increased productivity that is only possible through technology augmentation. The modern IT infrastructure supplements the strength of your workforce to give your business a boost of productivity. Here are a couple of ways in which modern IT infrastructures can increase productivity. Employees can perform repetitive tasks in the blink of an eye with the help of automation. This minimizes costs and increases productivity. Modern IT infrastructure includes artificial intelligence capabilities that can make intelligent predictions and recommendations that help in informed decision-making. Big data and analytics can be used in tandem with the modern IT infrastructure to keep track of productivity trends. Communication tools can connect distributed teams and boost collaboration that increases productivity. Why is IT infrastructure important to productivity? Enabling large-scale collaboration. Employees no longer have to be face-to-face to achieve collaboration in the workplace. Using your IT infrastructure, you can equip employees with the tools they need to communicate with each other no matter where they are. Technological solutions help you stay consistent in communication, increasing productivity. Learn how to use KanBo for large-scale collaboration here. Bridging gaps. Technology can bridge all geographical gaps between your distributed team to connect workers across continents to work on projects. This can prove to be essential for the productivity of remote workers. Organizing information. The amount of information a business generates can be overwhelming, and organizing it is not an easy feat. A large amount of time is wasted searching for the right information. All this time can be saved if businesses use the right technological tools to organize their data more intelligently. Combat productivity challenges. Obsolete technology and insufficient services can have an impact on the productivity of your organization. An IT infrastructure with updated hardware and network resources can combat these productivity losses. What is the role of modern IT infrastructure services? To meet the increasing demands of a rapidly evolving world, modern IT infrastructure is becoming more hybrid, dynamic, and elastic than ever before. With that, the services used by businesses are also becoming more diverse. Today, companies are relying on multiple cloud solutions, both public and private, depending on specific needs. While the nature of modern IT infrastructure services is subject to change, there are some characteristics and roles they must contain. These include dynamic policy-based configuration, a fast and dynamic way of automating configuration. Extensibility, to simplify the integration and make it possible to introduce new technologies without significant overhead. Unified monitoring and analytics, monitoring and analytics solutions that provide valuable insights by covering the entire IT infrastructure, including on-premises systems and cloud services. Automation tools and capabilities that can be configured and adapted to changing needs. Contextual intelligence, artificial intelligence-powered analysis and augmented tools to monitor infrastructure. What is effective IT infrastructure? An effective IT infrastructure can mean different things for different businesses. When defining an effective IT infrastructure, you can ask the following questions. Is the IT infrastructure serving all the needs of your business? An effective IT infrastructure is meant to be tailor-made for your organizational needs. The technology used in the organization should only accelerate growth instead of hampering it. Is the IT infrastructure maximizing productivity? Effective infrastructure will equip your employees with all the capabilities they need to be productive. Increase in work productivity can have a direct impact on your bottom line. Is the IT infrastructure scalable? As your company grows, you need to scale your infrastructure and services accordingly. Effective IT infrastructures are equipped to be scalable. How large organizations can seamlessly integrate KanBo with their own IT infrastructure. Modern businesses require technological tools that will fit right into their existing infrastructure. KanBo is an adaptable and flexible service that can easily be used in tandem with the existing IT infrastructure of your company to boost productivity even further. Here's how KanBo seamlessly integrates with your IT infrastructure. KanBo on-premises. If you are one of the businesses who prefer the security of their firewall over being on the cloud, then KanBo has you covered. KanBo respects strict regulatory standards and provides an on-premise solution that ensures your security. Now you can enjoy the full productivity gains brought by KanBo while staying safe on-premises. Once you download KanBo, your information remains on-premises, so you have complete control of your data at all times. KanBo on-premise installation instruction is here. KanBo on your Microsoft Office 365. If your business utilizes Microsoft Office 365, KanBo can integrate with any of the plans from the Office 365 or Azure suite of services. Some ways in which KanBo connects with your Microsoft Office 365 environment and Azure are: Added as a SharePoint app or Azure Active Directory app. KanBo uses the Office Graph API for Microsoft Office 365 services or can use native APIs and web services of particular products. KanBo supports Microsoft Office 365 Single Sign-On (SSO) and can also communicate with Microsoft Power Apps and Microsoft Power Automate. KanBo integrates into Microsoft Teams in multiple ways, including tabs, adaptive cards, connector, messaging extensions, task modules, deep links. Integrates with the activity feed and with the powerful KanBo bot named KK. More details about KanBo and Microsoft integration is here. KanBo is software as a service, SaaS. You don't need a dedicated IT team to handle KanBo. KanBo provides software as a service option that allows us to handle all the technical details of KanBo for you. You get the choice of where your data should be stored, making it a completely personalized solution. We can help you take care of all operational aspects as you focus on what really matters the most for your business. Conclusion: as emerging technologies take over the business world, enterprises need to consider the importance of modernizing their IT infrastructure for maximum gains. With the help of cutting-edge technology, your modern IT infrastructure will help take the business forward in an ever more competitive business landscape of the future.